thoughts collect so calmly on this quiet walk alone. And a breeze so warm should comfort her, but the silence only brings a cold. Streetlights don't make for familiar faces. Her breaking lips, they whisper home, just holding on to the distance put upon with the soaring years. Precedents made so clear by the thoughts you breathe into you. She don't want to say goodbye, said it for the last time. See, it's parting in her eyes, felt it for the last time, blending into crowdside, the color she loves to see, fall beneath the trenches of what she longs to be. The winter cold to fight the cold, but her heart's unguarded as she just doesn't want to be alone. No. She don't want to say goodbye, said it for the last time. See, it's parting in her eyes, felt it for the last time. Though her breaking lips, they whisper home. Streaming distance winds as these places seem so unknown. Though her heart has its guard so low, take it, take it, take it, only she will know. She don't want to say goodbye, said it for the last time. See, that's parting in her eyes, felt it for the last time.